issued Tornado Watch number 129, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Albert, Georgia, and the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Stanley, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Chester, Fairfield, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Union, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 129 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Albert, Georgia, and the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Stanley, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Chester, Fairfield, Greenwood, Lancaster, Lawrence, Newberry, Union, and York. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cabarrus County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for south-central Cabarrus and southeastern Mecklenburg counties. At 1:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near uptown Charlotte, or near Freedom Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Mid Hill, Matthews, Reedy Creek Park, and East Charlotte around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Midland around 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A brief, weak tornado is likely. Mobile homes could be flipped. Falling trees can cause death